Hi, Mr. Van Kaplan again. On this build, you've already added the floors. Remember, you've got wood, carpet, tile in the bathrooms. Hopefully by now you've added your doors and your windows. You can see I've done that here. Um, the next thing I want to show you how to do is how to put in cabinetry. They call it Casework in Revit, and also how to put in toilets and tubs and showers, which we'll find under plumbing. So once you've got to this section, you've got to put in all the furniture and things like that. So let's go ahead and put the toilets in first. You're going to go to component. Okay, it always brings up what you use last. Load family. You may have to double click back on Imperial Library. Go to plumbing. You can use either one of these. Architectural has them under fixtures, I believe. They call it a water closet. Okay, we want to use the 3D one. But you can also go back to the MEP, and they're going to have more choices as far as bathtubs and things like that. Okay, these toilets, that one looks okay. I'm going to use the original one. So you can just kind of get in here and look around, find something you're happy with. So water closets, and I'm going to use the domestic 3D. Okay. You can put it pretty close to the wall there. And then I also need one here. For later purposes, you click on it and you can flip it and rotate it. I think the space bar also rotates it. Yeah. So that's another way to move stuff around. Um, this one I've got too close to that window because you gotta have to get a bathtub in there. Okay, so there's my toilets. Zoom in there a little bit for you. Now let's get the bathtubs. So if you notice, it always does the last thing you did. So if you forgot and only added one and needed extra, it'll be there. Let's see. I always go back to the beginning here. Plumbing. I think like the tubs are under MEP. If you look in equipment, there's just like hot water heaters and stuff. We don't really need that. Uh, showers. Okay. Kind of boring, they're showers. That does look like a corner one in our master suite. So that's what I'm going to put. Okay. And you can see right now, obviously, that's not going to work as far as getting in it. There we go. So that was the space bar rotating that around. And then we need a bathtub. So component, load family. Back to your Imperial Library. Plumbing. I think MEP had the shower. Let's see. Bathtubs, yeah. Okay, you got some different ones you can use there. I'm going to use this Maestro, they call it. And you be careful, if your door's in the way, you may have to move your door a little bit. This one I'm going to flip it, so I'm just going to place it out here. Big bathtub. Okay, I don't want it in the wall there, so I'm going to zoom in. There we go. Okay. Let's see what else we need to add. We need to add our vanities and things like that. So you can find those in a couple of different places. For the bathrooms, it's going to be under plumbing. Let's say it's under the MEP. And they call it a laboratory. Okay, so there's your vanities there. We have a double one, it looks like in here. Okay, they're backwards. So I'd like to get it out here and rotate it where I can see. There's one. There's two. You gotta be careful, make sure that door doesn't hit it. Mine's really close, so I'm gonna move my door down a little bit. Give me a better way entrance in there. We need a double one here too, it looks like. Let's see if there's any other casework for this one. So let's go to Imperial Library, Casework. This is where you can find all your kitchen cabinets, base cabinets. Let's see. None of those are really going to work for that bathroom. So it's already on that. I'm going to put that in here. So we get a double one again. They actually turn the right way for once. Get that as close to the wall as I can. Looks good there. Let's see. For your kitchen ones, component, load family. You can do individual or for what we're doing. I think if you go to specialty equipment here, domestic, okay, this is where you're going to find, like, you got all kinds of stuff here. Freezers, stainless steel freezer, a hood island, ovens, all kinds of, you can just get in there and kind of look around. This is fairly new. I used to not have all this in the older versions. I want to say there's like one that's already built. Yeah. If you want one where it's all together, kind of, there's a kitchenette, medium, all kinds of freezers. Let's go to mid range here. Dishwasher and all that stuff. Washer and dryer. Okay, so you can kind of look in there and just kind of make it your own. Just find a range. There's my stove. So we don't want our stove right in front of a window there. I'm probably gonna move that window. I like the windows over the sink. And again, zoom in where you can see. You can just kind of place it all out here and then move it around. While we're in here, let's look at beds. Load family. Imperial Library. So this one's under furniture. Yeah, beds. And usually the shaker is the standard, and then once you click on it, it'll let you pick the size. No, that one it doesn't. That's okay. So I need to flip this one. Hit that space bar, it does that. Looks like in that room they've got some type of storage here. We'll put it in. Back under furniture, storage, and you got all kinds of stuff. The dresser. We'll use the dresser for this one. And we're going to have to go to 3D view to make sure that's in there the right way. So view, 3D view. Okay, and that does look like that's in right. The stove's in right. Let's check on that shower. Shower, we can get in the door. Okay. So you need to fill in all the furniture in this master suite, kitchen and living room. Um, looking at that, so I need to move this over. They've got that up against the wall, giving me some more room there. Get creative. You don't have to make it exactly like theirs. Kind of design it how you would. Let's go back to level 1. So I need to move the vanities over. Getting there and fine tune it a little bit. But so that shows you the basics of how to get your furniture and equipment needed in the kitchen and the bathroom. Um, take your time with that. Fill in everything, make it unique to you, the way you would design it if you were designing this house. And you can put shelving, or you can put dressers in this closet. And then there's seats here that they're going to put down. They've got some nightstands by the bed. All that's under furniture.